Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. It's like Velcro. I think they say hook and loop, but it comes with a bunch of different strips, and so this is what the strips look like here. And I'll just open it up and give it a shot and show you guys how good these are. So this is it here. It's got a very strong uh, grip, and it grips fast on the fly. Let's just clip something on here. I'll go ahead and put the rough side. Let's see how good the sticky stuff is on this too. Let's see, can I open it up? Yes. I've got lights in my eyes, so for me it's going to be more difficult. But you can see it comes with a bunch of strips, or for me, I would probably, right now for the demo, I'm just going to cut these in half, just because I don't need quite so much. So there we go. So we have half. So I'm going to take this half here. It's very sticky. I'm going to go ahead and stick it on the bag for it. How about that? So there, now I have that on the bag, and then I'll stick the other side onto something else I have sitting here. And actually, it's not too bad peeling off the sticky stuff. Sometimes it takes forever to get sticky stuff off of stuff. So I have this box here, which is just some box of something. Stick it on there, slap it on there, and look, it stays. It's not coming off. So it's good. And it's totally not even lined up, but you get the idea. So if I line this up, it would not go anywhere for sure. But you can see it stays on there really well, and pulling it off, it pulls off, and it doesn't pull off the sticker, which is good. So I'm going to say this is a good winner for that. So if you need some good strong Velcro, this is the way to do it here. This is by Sweet View, I guess, and really good. It says resistance to high temperatures. You can cut it like I did, easy to tear and stick it was, and strong adhesion. So it does everything it says it's going to do. Thumbs up for sure.